welcome to our channel. This is a dedicated space for anyone who loves nature, gardening, and peaceful, relaxing landscapes. Here, we bring you immersive videos featuring a wide variety of garden styles, from vibrant flower gardens, lush herb gardens, tranquil Japanese gardens, to serene rooftop sanctuaries above the cityscape. Each video takes you on a journey into a unique space where nature is celebrated through calming visuals and sounds. Our channel offers a peaceful retreat to unwind from the hustle and bustle of daily life. We carefully blend high-quality footage with soothing natural sounds, like birdsong, gentle rain, or soft, relaxing music, to create a perfect ambience for relaxation, meditation, and stress relief. If you find peace and comfort here, please consider subscribing for more daily doses of natural beauty and relaxation. Remember to like, share, and comment to let us know what you love most about these serene garden escapes. We hope our content brings a little more calm and happiness to your day.
I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern, sustainable 4-bedroom house design is explored, showcasing eco-friendly features that maximize energy efficiency and create a harmonious living space. The video highlights innovative architectural solutions and design elements that seamlessly blend with the surrounding environment, creating a beautiful and functional home. Showcase stunning visuals of the exterior and interior design, emphasizing its modern and inviting aesthetic. Highlight the harmonious blend of the house with the surrounding environment, showcasing the integration of natural elements. Briefly mention the core principles of sustainable design and how they translate to a comfortable and functional living space. Introduce the energy-efficient building materials used, focusing on their durability and environmental impact. Explore the innovative systems like solar panels and geothermal heating, explaining their functions and benefits. Discuss the water conservation measures implemented, showcasing features like rainwater harvesting and low-flow fixtures. Emphasize the open floor plan, maximizing natural light and creating a sense of spaciousness. Demonstrate the thoughtful layout of bedrooms, bathrooms, and common areas, ensuring optimal functionality and privacy. Highlight the integration of green spaces within the home, showcasing indoor gardens and outdoor living areas. Discuss the financial savings associated with reduced energy bills and lower water consumption. Explain the positive impact on the environment, highlighting the reduction of carbon footprint and waste generation. Share the long-term health benefits of living in a sustainable home, emphasizing improved indoor air quality and reduced exposure to harmful chemicals. Provide practical tips for incorporating sustainable features into existing homes, focusing on DIY projects and eco-friendly upgrades. Offer resources and information on sustainable building practices and materials available in the market. Encourage viewers to embrace sustainable living and create a positive impact on the planet through their housing choices. A modern, minimalist, eco-friendly house, nestled within a lush, verdant garden. The house features a dark gray metal exterior, with extensive vertical and horizontal green walls and hanging plants, creating a living wall effect. The house has large glass windows and sliding doors opening onto a wooden deck, offering views of the surrounding greenery. The plants on the exterior walls range from vibrant orange flowers to lush greenery. The interior of the house is visible through large windows, showing hints of contemporary design. A wooden deck extends the living space, with various potted plants and garden elements. A modern, two-story, orange-toned wooden house nestled in a lush, foggy forest setting. The house features large windows, a stone fireplace, and multiple levels with outdoor decks and patios. A dark metal railing and deck overhangs create a modern aesthetic. The forest is dense with evergreen trees, and the misty, ambient light creates a tranquil atmosphere. The landscaping includes various plants, bushes, and large rocks. The house is situated on a hillside, and the view extends to a misty mountain range in the background. A modern, two-story home with a contemporary Japanese garden. The house features dark gray stone exterior walls, dark metal beams and supports, and large, expansive windows with natural light illuminating the interior. The interior space shows a warm, light brown wood aesthetic. Outdoor spaces include a multi-level wooden deck, perfect for lounging and dining. A variety of plants populate the garden, including lush bushes, small trees, and a pond. Rocks and gravel are strategically placed throughout. Evening lighting illuminates the facade and the outdoor spaces, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. A modern, multi-story cabin nestled in a pine forest at dusk, overlooking rolling hills. The cabin features a mix of stone and wood, with light brown and gray tones. Large windows showcase the interior, lit with warm, golden light. Glass balconies extend across the second and third floor. The stonework is varied in tone, ranging from light grays to deep browns. The wood siding is a rich, natural tone, accented by dark gray metal beams and railing. A fire pit is present on the outdoor deck. The pine forest is in shades of dark green and brown. The sky is a soft, muted light blue. The scene is hyperrealistic, with clear details in the architecture, landscaping, and lighting. A modern, luxurious home with a lush, Zen garden. Dark gray concrete and black exterior with large, expansive windows showcasing an interior warm with orange/amber light illuminating the living space. A covered patio area with outdoor furniture extends from the home. The garden features carefully manicured Japanese-style landscaping with various types of trees, shrubs, and plants, including vibrant green foliage, a variety of textures, and a small pond. The surrounding forest is lush and green, contributing to a tranquil, natural ambience. The image is highly detailed and realistic, with a soft light and a focus on the interplay between the architecture and the garden. A modern, minimalist wooden house nestled within a lush, tropical rainforest. Hyperrealistic. Large, floor-to-ceiling glass windows flood the interior living spaces with natural light. The exterior features a variety of textures, smooth, dark wood, stone walls, and cascading greenery. Warm, earthy tones dominate. Plants of various tropical species are prevalent throughout the grounds, surrounding a serene, reflecting pool. Outdoor furniture includes chaise lounge chairs, a wooden deck, and a stone patio. Natural light casts warm golden hues on the scene. The architecture blends seamlessly with the surrounding forest. A modern, light-filled home nestled within a lush, green forest, rendered in a hyper-realistic style. The house features a dark, slate-gray metal roof, dark gray siding, and a large covered porch with warm orange/amber lighting illuminating the interior and the deck. Glass doors and windows showcase the interior living space, which appears open plan and potentially a kitchen area. Outdoor seating, including lounge chairs and a low sofa, sits on the deck. The surrounding landscape is meticulously landscaped with various shades of greens, and vibrant pops of magenta and purple flowers and foliage. A small water feature, possibly a pond, is situated in the foreground, bordered by stonework. A modern, light brown wooden cabin nestled in a landscape of lush greenery. The cabin has a sloped gray metal roof, with solar panels visible on a portion of the roof. Large windows are prominent on the cabin's facade. The landscape around the cabin features a variety of textures: a gravel patio/deck area around the home, a border of large, rounded rocks, and vibrant flower beds interspersed with various green plants and shrubs. Many marigolds are prominent in the flower beds, creating a vibrant burst of orange-yellow color amongst greens and purples in the flower beds. The scene is set in a wooded area, surrounded by trees with autumnal coloration. A modern, luxurious home nestled within a lush, tropical garden, featuring a spacious pool area. The home is 2 stories with a dark gray/charcoal roof and dark, stained wood accents. Large, floor-to-ceiling glass windows flood the interior spaces with natural light. The home's exterior walls are a warm, golden-orange tone, contrasting beautifully with the lush green landscaping. Visible interior spaces showcase a stylish and relaxed atmosphere. The garden features various tropical plants, shrubs, and a tranquil pool with a modern, stone-clad edge. A variety of seating and lounging areas surround the pool.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.